Hi, my name is Monica Novak. I'm with Ingrid French Management, and I'll be singing Come to My Window.
Come to my window, crawl inside, wait by the light of the moon. Come to my window, I'll be home soon. I would dial the numbers just to listen to your breath, and I would stand inside my hell and hold the hands of death. You don't know how far I'd go to ease this precious ache. You don't know how much I'd give or how much I could take.